This was an extraordinary session of the Executive Council, and it was called by the Assembly of Heads of State. Last time we were here at the February summit, and it became very critical because the issue of the future of the African Union was at stake in the context of the forthcoming elections of the African Union Commission leadership in February next year. When we were here for the summit, the heads of state summit, there were legal and technical issues that required urgent clarification, so that the process of transiting from the leadership of the African Union Commission today to the next leadership through the proper electoral process can be done smoothly. So this session was very important. I want to appreciate and thank our brothers and sisters in the African continent for making it clear, removing all ambiguities, that it is the turn of East Africa to provide leadership or to offer leadership in the African Union. So that is a very important statement, and equally for the deputy in the northern region. What it means for us in the East African region is that effectively all technical and legal hurdles have now been removed, and Kenya can now formally submit the candidate for the region, and really I don't have to mince my words anymore. Nothing should really bar and nothing bars the opportunity for Raila to become the candidate for the region, and God willing, the chair of the African